Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ka Jylla badikmi ikatanan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department uba Ilektrik menta ka sngi ulalit ban plipat ba ya ka Jaka recharge kali lingba ka boarding electric ka ba Nyngkong ha ka Jylla ka balatip kum kata ka electric vehicle fast charging station ha ka Jaka thap umpanyang jong ka Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited ka badan ha Jorabat ya ka Jaka recharge kali ka badan Lipo kilowatt la plipat ba ha ka jingya dan ringkat jong additional deputy commissioner karib hoy uba MD Tongper State Head Retail jang ka BPCL Northeast upankat das DGM Retail Initiative jang ka BPCL Debashish Das Territory Manager Retail jang ka Shillong BPCL Indranil Banerjee utray ka tay ka Jaka thap umpanyang Shripal Jain lembat utray ka MS Bimal Cars Dealers jang ka Tata Motors habakran kani ka sngiu ba like ula ay ka jingero sa ka company BPCL halor ka jing play pat ba kani ka Jaka ban recharge ki kali ba pendon kam da ka boarding electric lani kita ki electric vehicle da ka ba ong makanyarap shibun ban penduna ya ka jing penjabo ya ka leer hapo ka Jylla ula ong ru kumba ka Jylla Meghalaya ka dei ka ba bananam halor ka kam jung kai perthei kani ka sinjam klempep kan wan ra shibun ka jing mentoy na ka benta ka may mariang Badru kan kentiyo ka kam jungok kai perthai hapo ka Jylla kam tam gitu ginong jungok kai perthai bawan na shabar jong kari ibadai gibriu ki bashim khya hlor ka kwat ka khya ban penne pensa ya ka mariang saudong saukun.
So it is going this connect your charger. So after we connect the charger, then it will just start charge. We will open.
Yes. Charging now.
Charging. This connector charger. Now it is we have connected. Now start charging.
So sir, this entire operation can be handled by the customer himself, just with the help of the mobile app. But the way he is giving the command, everything will be reflected there. Now charging is progress.
Introducement kan pen here ya kan ka reduce ka pollutions ngi pet ki kali ki immense ka ki wala bon ha ki pollution sa focus ti te kan ka Meghalaya ka jungi ka dei ka tourist destinations te ki tourist ki balong high end tourist ki bon na po sabar ri India le dia concern ki long concern ha ya ka hygiene ya ka health and environment Ting dabangi introduce pada ya kene ke EV kan ora tremendously kemot kan here ha kene ka pollutions but ki kan environment kan long bakhot bitna it will be a clean environment.
Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, we have launched 17 number of locations, new EV stations at our existing retail outlet. Actually, we have chosen some few major highway corridors like from Guwahati to Dibrugarh. And then from Guwahati to Srirampur, that is Bengal border, then Guwahati to North Lakhimpur. So these three major corridors we have identified retail outlets where fast charging EV stations is available. So there one vehicle for full charging it will take about 35 to 45 minutes time. And now today, Honorable Minister Sir is with us. We are going to launch the first EV charging station in Meghalaya at this retail outlet, that is NES Jorabat. After this launching, we'll step by step we'll extend our facility to Nongpu, then Mayong, then Shillong, then Jumai, then it will go right up to Silchar. Then it will also be extended up to Aizawl and then Agartala like that. So this is very easy actually. There's a mobile app. In that mobile app, there's a we call Hello BPCL. So with the help of Hello BPCL mobile app, the customer can on his own, without having any help from anybody, can recharge his vehicle. There are options of say 50 rupees, 100 rupees, as much as he wants. So very easy, very convenient. So people will not now need not worry for EV owners. They need not worry about where I will charge my vehicle. It will be all across North States. It will be made available. Today, the first station will be launched by Honorable Minister Sir here. So that is our plan. See, now the selling rate will be 22 rupees per per unit, 22 rupees per unit. So if you want to charge say for 100 rupees, there in the mobile app you just put 100 rupees, then the vehicle will be charged only for 100 rupees automatically. So suppose your vehicle is already fully charged and you did not charge for 100 rupees, then what will happen? The balance amount will be refunded to your account. So it's like that.